remember kwaba nendaba ukuthi i-Royal Eagles i-Royal Air Miami to say ithole i-sponsor 23 million from the municipality. Then jiki akusan genzakala.
I think mina izinto eziningi maziqala zenzakala nami bengibhekane nezami lapho.
What is your take ngale case yenzakala manje?
Eyabo. Into engayisho ukuthi indawo nendawo inomthetho wayo. I mean nala nje sinesipana kanje kunendlela kunezinto kumele nizilandele kunezinto ukuthi mawungazilandeli kuzomela usuke la. So I feel like maso ku professional level kunendlela okwenza izinto, and if ungeke uzenze ngendlela zizo catch up nawo. Akusiphuthu ukuthi bazithola abayi, you understand? Because I mean I remember when I stopped going to the stadium, even though I was not playing, bengiya nyo support amajita ngena jive until iholidi lang thola ngiplomena amajita la grunta amajita la ngangrunti. And then I ngabona ukuthi manje sho ukuthi vele kuyaliwa.
Who's majita?
Bengiplomena uPotsane noMashiyane. Sure.
Umnandi Khotbani.
Oh, la cousin Beyonce.
Mofet Budluli. Ukre Khotbani. Amnandi Khotbani angisakwazi ba. Ngagcina iTV ngeRoyal AM. Ngithi Khotbani ngizobona abangitshela bathi awuzosivakashela bo. Because kupha kumele sibuze bo. Yeah, there's a lot that we have to. Yeah, basho bathi.
Knowledge.
Ngiyangithola. Asingena ngayi nawe fanakh. So manje uyamtaba uZulu bese.
Kahle.
Ngiyafika kumele.
Hayi ngingavaya.
Wena ngibona Khotbani ngathi vile sivele discipline neli. Ane usuku nje ngobazela nje ukuthi hayi khona uyawuthesa DK.
Sure.
Okay, uzoploma yini Khotbani?
Alright.
But before start plana na Khotbani. Choma Trappers kumele bazi ukuthi sibize bani Mofet Budluli.
Sure.
Your first professional contract as
SuperSport United 2011.
Yeah. So ngicela utshela ukuthi which team did you play for after it was SuperSport from 2011 walandela ngani
from SuperSport ngaya ku Polokwane City.
Okay.
And then Polokwane City ngaya ku Free State Stars. And then after Free State Stars my last team was Royal AM.
Le team le Marai sizothatha kuzo zonke lezi zinto lezi but okwamanje ne ufuna ukayi your best starting 11 all time.
Okay, no stress.
So siqala ngegoalkeeper ne.
Okay.
Asiye ke nangu number 1 ubani ubeka bani ba?
Ngizweka
Itu Melenguni.
Sure.
Yena ngifuna ukubona usijuka kwadile ne. Okay. Maqeda ngale ku right back sithi bani?
Right back yami ngayigaya Davis Nkausu.
Yeah. Okay. Left back
ngigaya uThabo Matlaba.
Okay. Maqeda ngithi right center back.
Okay. Right center back ngayigaya Morgan Gold. Sure.
Left center back.
And then left center back ngithanda Olisanda.
Aish.
Yeah.
But it was a season. Hayi. And by the way, kuma Khotbani akafika ama best level wabo. You are the first one to actually mention the current player. Bonke wangitshela ngabantu bakudala nami like sinabukhulisa umndawo webholweni kenzakalani. So okay, asithi right wing forward
ngayigaya Mduduzi Nyanda. Yeah.
Then left wing forward
Masibusane Zonga.
Cream Zizo. Hey. Then lana phakathi ku6.
Angikuhlala mina. Angizibali mina.
Isibali. Hey. Uzuhlala wena vele. Wokati imali lapha. Then asithi la ku number 10 ubeka bani?
Ngizigaya Kemit Erasmus.
Then lana ku8 ubeka bani?
Ngizigaya Roger Majaba.
Roger Majaba. Ilanga bashawe selection ngabathi yancane. Si striker ngobani Khotman Langa?
Bradley Grob laba.
Bradley Grob.
Sure.
This is your best 11.
Thank you.
Should la uyabuya neAFCON, uyabuya neWorld Cup, ubuya nayo yonke into.
Amthuka.
Cha, nithi ngigijimele ngalokusha basikhona sohlangana ngalesi team ngene. Thank you Khotman Langa.
Thank you.
Alright, re kena fela jalo ka nnete garampa motse wa yona ka nnete trap and pass ka sepedi ba re ke la bohlano ngezulu batho lwesihlanu nna ke re it's trap and pass o tla kwa Fashion Fridays for trap and pass, and what a week it has been thus far in South Africa. Matrappers, before ngena kwesa namhlanje awuthi ngicela ngokuthi justice for Cwecwe. As a trap and pass community, we would like to make it clear ukuthi we stand in solidarity calling for justice for uCwecwe. Masivukeni madoda and protect our children and women. Sekwanele. Oh, Castel Sama Super ngithi congratulations to South Africa on the football front. Let me start ngeCAF. Sisukile kuma group stage and phakathi inside kuma playoffs, the CAF Champions League quarterfinals. Congratulations to South Africa as both Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns defeated their opponents 1-0 kule Tuesday esibuya kuyo. Bathi azoshona malanga, azoqisha amakhandlela, azoqala umoya amabhantshi, kutlojiwa bathu bukhosi. Bese ke matrappers ngingena kuyo in the Betway Premier League games kule weekend esiya kuyo nakho ngakulindela ku the Betway Premiership siqala Friday namhlanje ngo 7:30 ziyawa with AmaZulu taking on Richards Bay. Bese zithi kusasa kuyi Saturday, it's a packed Saturday ngo 3:00 in KZN it's Golden Arrows versus Chippa United. In Bloemfontein it's Marumo Gallants versus Imatata wa Pretoria SuperSport United. Bese ePolokwane it's Polokwane City up against Mnyama ngenkani Orlando Pirates. Bese ngo 7:00 iKaizer Chiefs izobibhekana ngqo neTS Galaxy. Kanti on the other side, the Mamelodi Sundowns versus Stellenbosch game has been postponed. Kanye ne-Royal AM versus Amakesi. Lendaba Royal AM, our guest today needs to give us more information ngoba ngeke phela. But khepye. Siqhubeka kanjalo ke matrappers on Sunday ngo 17:30, which is 5:30 for us now. Ilanga liyashona eTable Mountain. You can relax and enjoy the fixture between Cape Town City versus Isikhukhune United. We guess you join namhlanje today matrappers sibuya ngama hit after hit after hit after hit, and this week siphethe uMufet Mudluli, born October 1989 in Soweto. This defensive midfielder began his career at Alexandra United, where he later joined the SuperSport United in 2011, and he was fielded 32 times with 1 goal. Then in 2013, he went to Ipolokwane City on loan to score 2 goals and 1 assist. After his loan, he went to Free State Stars in 2014 with 20 appearances. After a year without the club, he finally joined Royal EM in 2020 until 2022 with only 4 appearances in 2 years. He's here today to give us some scoop on his experiences with Royal EM and what he thinks happens to bring them where they are today. Namhlanje I joined the panel with Amakrotman wami uSjugu noSizwe Nkosi.
Awuyebo Sjugu wamawala wamavulavala wamawida wama-international mfana kacheka umfana today. Welcome to another exciting episode bafethu season 3. This is episode number 13 bafethu. Angambe ngiyi-1 ngihlala ngiphethe abangani bami. Namhlanje ngivutha into encane uShaba wama-2K.
Sjugu bakula
mnandi. Angambe ngiyi-1 futhi ngiphethe njami uBenito bafethu. Iguest ethu namhlanje uKhumbu bafethu abamaze bamthanda ngoMiss Mofet Mudluli. Mofet grand hotel. Right hotel. Sizwana.
Hola machaka. Mnandi.
Mofet ngicela uzintroduce njami kumuntu lana obatshela uMofet uphuma lapho chaleva kanjani ugelize kuphi. Cela ngeze sigela uze before uthanda impahla nani. Yeah.
Thank you so much for the invite. uMofet Mdluli ngikhulele Diepkloof. Ngiqale primary Dumezweni, from Dumezweni to Vula Mazibuko, and then ngaqede Fonts. And then football journey yami ngiqale eKasivele DK. I played for Computer Stars under 10 under leadership by Mr. Computer Lamula, who used to play for Kaizer Chiefs back then. And then from there I move leveling around. I mean, we has Kulele Kasi change my team. And then ngagcina sengu Orlando Kwaitus under Coach Bigger, and then sapusha, and then bengumuntu vele ohlala afuna i-challenge, especially mangibona ukuthi okay lana sengiphushile and ngifila ngathi akusena a way forward. I always look for another opportunity elsewhere. Then after quite mangifuna my team, I couldn't move because Mr. Bongan delayed to score. His soul rest in peace. Begala ngiclearance yami.
Okay.
So ekugcineni ngizithole sengidlalele i-team yaka Mr. Nkosana Khoza noMpumi Khoza yasekasi yama 5-a-side vele. Besibhizi lapho, and then ngadiscovera uMr. Nathi Masike wangithatha wangisa kwa-Alex United. From Alex United, then I moved to SuperSport. From SuperSport, I went to Polokwane. After Polokwane, Free State Stars. And then after Free State Stars, ngihleli about 5 years without a contract.
Okay.
And then ngibuye nge-Royal AM after 5 years. And I think I was 35 mangibuya vele. And ngapusha from NFD, and then kwabana case none, but we did very well that season. It's just that I don't know kwenzakaleni, and then they bought the status, and then my last team here was Royal AM.
Ngiyabona ubalile wonke ama team owadlalile uThami. Ntwana i-movie SuperSport ize kanjani?
Mangu Alex United, yeah, besidlala bebasabiza Vodacom that time. Manje Mutsipe ABC Mutsipe League. Yeah. It was Vodacom back then, yeah. And so there was an agent but Mike Fowler, so bega bugela my game, and then he was impressed in a game yam, and the way yenzakale ngakhona, I mean in Nigerian, and I was like low uthatha ama chance yabo, because usalo wathi angamfonela manje uKevin. I mean ngikhuluma nalo muntu these days athi ngafonela uKevin manje uyoqala Monday, ngithi lo uyadlala amfonele nginaye, but akeze Monday ukuya kwami da ngiyangokuthi ingamla the way ngibona ngakhona from TV, I don't think ngangisigna, you know. And then mangifika la bangaya iviki ngitrainer ne team, and then he was impressed, and then what azin ngiyakudinga ngifuna ukubona VA nge-preseason. And then preseason when mangibuyela lapha yasesibhaya, I remember bokunabo Spider Brighton lapha yana besibhaya, and then i-team libele yancipha. So kubonakala ukuthi bafuna bani, and then i-contract yami ngithola kanjalo bokuyi 1 year plus 2 year option. So I and then kuleyo season I did very well. I think I played about 80% of my game laphayana, and then afterwards bakwazi ukungirenewela ngaleyo 2, and then ngadlala 1 kuleyo 2 esele, because Coach Kevin left after that 1. So uyu umuntu ongisayinile, and then so kufika Kevin Johnson, but ukufika kwakhe naye I feel like akangangi chance fair, because you know as a player you know if you can compete nabantu, you know ukuthi lo akakhulu or in, but with I chance mabakunikeze yona you are able to display into nayo. So I don't think ungayili chance, but like uze sekaze ufuna bani akafuni bani. And then ngathola loan move to Polokwane City. And then kupulukwane ngihleli unyaka, and then bese bafuna ukungithatha permanent, but I wasn't happy ngezinto ezibhabe zithunakala in terms of professionalism. La ngibuya khona ku SuperSport izinto bezin order nani, but laphayana I guess nabo bebasazama bazithola, because so ku PSL, and mangena nabantu abane experience in that level i-team yakhe izoba ne problem. So for me I was like I can't stay endaweni, so nami ngifila ngathi ngingayithola big move, because I remember there was interest from Kaizer Chiefs ngisasepulukwane after 6 months, but I don't know what happened. And then ngitholi offer Free State, and then I was like Free State, Coach Steve maybe la ngathola something ngibe excited Free State ngisayina 1 year ne option ye 2 years nakhona. So but ku Free State I problem engiyenzile, lo muntu bekangihlanganisela leya move akhuluma nalabantu, he was not my agent. And I feel like if bengambe ngayo into zami bezoba grand. So mina ngivanga ngamla mangivanga ngamla izinto zami zacala za, even though bengidlala nani, but ezinye izinto ziya counter kwamanye ama team ukuthi uzangubani, umuntu wakhona une-influence engakanani, yabona. I played 1 year, and then after that ngahlala 5 years ngina team, and in that 5 years because of ngine passion netiske nani, and then I joined Orlando Pirates 5s. I don't know if Nyayazi, five-a-side team, yeah. And then we dominated ngaleya team because we had too much. And we were able to travel about, I think, 5 countries ngaleya team because like basic dominate and ama trips wethu bongasukuthi win trip, you have to beat everyone Lamzansi in order for you to get a trip. So it was a nice environment with the support the Pirates, making sure that sine equipment, everything is in us now. So besikwazi ukuthi CMP nisihlomile nathi and isinikeze nesithunzi, and we dominated. It was so nice, and most of the guys bebadlalile professional vela abo Kyle Kuru, Tabo, Augustine Leonard, Jose Garcia. So it was easier because we understood each other kahle, you know. Sapusha because sifila ngathi second chance, and sometimes you'll never know, especially if you can still play. We pushed, and then ngidlala 5-a-side, and then unito wahezidladleni wathi hayi sishaya team 11-a-side and sifuna ukuku-invite uzodlala, and then I started playing 11-a-side. Kwazi COVID izinto zavalwa yakhumbula kwathulanyana izinto mazivulanyana ngaqala i-morning session ikasi because khona manje idadlala i-disc, you know, asihlanganeni bafethu ukuthi noma uyofuna ispan ube ready, sifake i-fitness, sisipane nge-technique, just ukuziprepare. You never know. Mina mangiprepare labantu ngithola i-call ukuthi ucoach Floyd no-coach Paradise baceda ukuba appointa ku-Royal AM. Royal AM iceda ukudliwa first game badliwa 4 isikhukhuni, then baqosha i-coach bahire ucoach Floyd no-coach Paradise. Because they were following me on social media, babon ukuthi le ntwana lezi there's no ways ngayabo ma South America ukuthi azenze into grand, bas invite again, and then saya for assessment, and then I was fortunate ngathola i-chance, and then ngathola i-contract, and kwabona ufike eteamini una 5 years ungadlali i-team number 14. You know, kune pressure, and the contract yami ngithola ngokuthi azini wena siyakusayina, but contract yakhona sizogaya maybe 10,000. Sifuna ukubona sikho ngawo. I mean uhleli isikhathi eside sokugaya 3 games. After that 3 games, then we can singahlala phansi. And then in those 3 games I played very well, and I mean I come with experience. Nyagayida la kumele ngigayide khona ngayinyasipana vi, so ingispanele le nto le, and then ngakwazi ukuthola i-contract e-grand afterwards. That's why even when they got to the PSL they were able to keep me because of umsebenzi wami na the way ngiziphatha ngakhona. I mean i-disc akusukudlala kuphela, another way ungakhona to your teammates, another way ungakhona kuleyo environment. So I think kungincedile kakhulu nami ukuchoose indlela engithathile ku-career yami, because imagine ukubuya una 35 udlala NFT is the hardest league in the country. Ibhola legijima kakhulu, akunasikhathi sokudlala lapha. But I fought for my place, and nami ngiyazi ukuthi beyibaluleke kangakanani leya chance, so I took it, and afterwards kwenzakala into ezibhaya, especially abantu ofila ngathi obaspanele grand bene relationship e-grand. I mean ezinye izinto akumelanga ziphele seziphele court because they were not there mangifika, mara sokumele kuwe ema-court kukhulunywe ukuthi ubani uphethe bani kanjani, you know. So yeah, that's what I can say for now. Ngazi ukuthi
so Khotman lam le ama-court sisazuza kuyo ngisho ukuthi na Khotman la khona usayemele. Ngifuna ukubeka back to indaba ka Khotman uScora njengokuthi washona. Mawuthi bekala nge-clearance yakho, what was the reason behind that? Was it because you were too good bekafuna ukukeep that? Because some coaches ama-coaches ekasi basanokala ngawuthi if he's not going to benefit kule move le then uyakubhayizisa, or bekuyikwali bonayo nje na beyanga.
No, bekangithanda kakhulu yababa lo, and bekafila like ngiphila e-team and akafuni nje ukungiluza. Maybe beyangamana ngilose to a professional team, not omunye umuntu okwenye level yabo.
So Moff, I didn't have the chance to ask you this. After Free State Stars, njobo uzohlala 5 years ungana, you were knocking to the doors. Because of when I come to you, I was hurt with man. Yazi kasi Moff ufuna ukudlala into soccer kuphela, akasayifuni 11-a-side. Afuna ukuyibona.
Serious?
Yeah, mamlanda good. And you know what's good about his story? Lapho sakaqalile uzivulele car wash.
Yeah.
You're selling chips.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was passing in.
Yeah.
So thanks so much. You want my chips at Before I went I went go. So lapo Moffat bo so yazi mangiyuzwa abantu but Moffat kasafuna. It was Moffat but I kasafuna ukuyibona 11 aside udlala kuPirates Bank. So yini basically kuzwisa ubuhlungu or what's
I think into angilimaza after that, I think after 2 years ngihambile ku Free State or Highlands Park yathola promotion to the PSL. So ngaya ku Highlands Park and mangifika ku Highlands Park open trial. So about 80 players masifika lapha. But I was one of the 2 guys abasele in that group. And then I went to pre-season in the Highlands. Everything was going so well.
Out of 80?
Everything behamba kahle. After lapho, esithubeni after pre-season sabangitshela ukuthi they don't have budget, they can't sign me. But that's where you see ukuthi idiskile to Samuel inento ezibhaya because istory sakhona senzakala. Why ungithatha ungisa ku pre-season nawe wazi ukuthi angeke ungispanise because la ungidedela khona ama team sewaqedile prepare. There's no way ngathola team. And then I was hurt and then I was like, you know what, I enhle kudilengile izongichithela isikhathi. So if I facade imnandi ngani inefun inamagoal inento ezibhaya you are able to channel indlela ingqondo yakho ususe okunye ukukulimaza because for mina ngiyazi namanje into engikeep up busy if I facade into engizidlalela yona and I enjoy it kakhulu. And I also feel ukuthi in this country if abantu be-disc if they can invest also in futsal and five-a-side because development tool important blind for ama player especially when masifika eBrazil masifika eArgentina intwana ezincane azidlala 11 aside zidlala le yanto leya. So uyabona ukuthi yabaspanela when you check ukuthi bakuphi emhlabeni ucheck athina sikuphi in terms of i-disc lethu. I feel like if we can invest more, I mean ifana ne-challenge nito because when we went that side it was tough, it was not easy. Labantu bona bakhule ngayo thina sidlala but thina sikhule ngani nge-1 ball angeke basihlule uyabona because I remember our first tournament sidlale i-World Cup we played against Italy laphayana they were leading us 4-0 siye ku half time kuyi 4-0 because ne coach yethu bezama ku-implement into eziningi but at least into esispanele kakhulu is i-manager yethu Orlando Pirates 5 ihambe nathi. So izinto mazibheda walanda coach wathazini la khohlo ukhuluma into eziningi gala abantu i-freedom baz express then uzobona i-game i-coach mayibuya seyichangeile asakhuluma next angisafuna ukubona next ufuna ukubona ishibobo ngifuna ukubona itsamaya sabasha 7 lama Italian and everyone zanga believe because even after that estradini besingasa walk free everywhere basimisa bashuta nathi Tom it was so nice.
So Hodman Makhula yazi Hodman malo kakhuluma kanje it's a privilege kahle kahle ukuthi sithola umuntu ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala ku 11v11 aphinda aya nakubo 5-a-side. So I wanna ask you umehluko as a person ukuthi udlale in both fields i-difference ngabi ikuphi?
I think i-football action ku small sided ibhola uhlizi uphethe ibhola asidlula isikhathi eside ungaphathanga ibhola ku 11 aside sinokudlula isikhathi ungaphathanga ibhola. So ama actions we small sided amaningi kunamagula abhaya kunama action abhaya interesting ukuthi umuntu makabukela ibhola ufuna ukubona wona you understand. So but not everyone odlala 11 aside can play i-5-a-side abanye abantu they struggle you understand.
So taking you back Khumbule you said ukuthi mawuphuma ku SuperSport kuPolokwane so ucela ukuchazisele kahle yini lento le may different ngePolokwane to SuperSport because kuPolokwane uyasho ukuthi mebangakutreat kahle or izinto like yini
and it's not the only guest ukakhuluma ngePolokwane like what's happening
mina bebangithanda ngize ngeloan. So I felt I deserved more than lento engibhekane nayo lapha.
Ubhekana nani?
I mean you know number one squad sethu besingena experience ebhaya. So
besadlala kubani lapho kuPolokwane?
Mina mangifika I think I was the only one kokuqala bekane PSL experience mangibheka the rest abantu bebangakaze badlali iPSL and in ama challenges kakhulu ukwabona, so it was really hard because of i-performance yakho noma uperforma kanjani somewhere ithatha a lot kuwe, especially when you face ama team organized. So I felt ukuthi I can't carry this. I think maybe team yokuthi if Besenzo retire, I can go there and but I felt ukuthi no, I need to challenge myself. I need to, I mean, Super Sport, we finished third, we won Nedbank, we CMA final in Guy 3, you understand already. So already mina ukufika kwami lapha seng exposed to ezinye izinto and sengikhalele lezo zinto because sengibonile ukuthi hey maswini trophy kune bonus grand, you understand, masenza so we understand. And I mean i-Super Sport namanje isaranwa isingamla, you understand, uyazi and esikhathini esiningi into zinamangamla straight, yeah.
So da kulento lena musuka ku Alexander muhola malini ngifuna ngithanda lezo uhola malini muhola malini da feel free.
Yeah, go Alex because I think mangifika mina kunabantu bebayohola inyuke bhana
boma malini
abanye bebahola like for leo level uhola boma 15, abanye bahola malini. So I remember mina mangiceda ukufika kuqoshwa ama coach nami kufika amanye ama coach amasha ta scratcha yonke into, everyone uzohola 3000 manje mara izoba nama bonus, i-win bonus izoba 500 and then in a month so uyabona ukuthi okay iyafika kubo 5 iyadlula sometimes yabona.
Super Sport mawufika contract mnandi bani kwamba malini ugive nandi kwamulisa malini
bafuna ukungiqala ku 3 and then I was like no, yes, because bebangangifuni. I think mina ngisayinwe ingamla khona abantu bebayiphikisa lento, so ekuphikiseni ukuthi ngisayine ezinye izinto abazenza abafuna ukutswinya ukuthi wena uzothini after, and I was like no, and then bakwazi uku-increase ke ngaqala kubo 6 ke 6 ke yakhuphuka and ehambe nama game more after 10 games yakhuphuka, after 10 games yakhuphuka and then elibili khuphuka kanjalo because I was getting a game time kakhulu engangabelieve.
Was there a signing on fee?
Yeah, we called.
How much was it?
It was 50.
And why thola yonke le 50 or
yonke amangamla wasukulisa?
Okay, because there's some of our stage bathi ama agent abalimazi.
Yeah, mina okay fine, agent ambe ifuna something njalo yabona. I think ngibhataleka i2 and then I was like, you know what, mina ngisebenza kanzima ziyabuya la. There is no way ngahlala ngokuthumelela inyuku yabo. So manje noma ungangisapi manje angisagayi for God, ngihlukane nale ngwinya kanjalo ngokuthi nale contract yakho noma ungayidabula uyenzeni because lazi yabuya, you can't just when uhlili lapho uzo receive nje. And number one awuqhavi ngibuya va. Sometimes I feel like sisayina nama agent and I was starved, and I think that was the biggest flaw for me. I think I never angaze ngibe blessed in agent egrand. I think if being an agent egrand kube ngizithole somewhere, you know, uthola umuntu akazi ubuya va, akazi idingo zakho, akashintsha impilo yakho, akakuhlakaniphisa, akakubonisa ifokolo ongayicavi, you know. So I think I role yalabo bantu kumele basincede ngalezi zinto ezifana nalezo yabo.
So Mof, what was the adjusted kanjani? Okay, I saw it.
Yeah.
Adjuster from PSL.
Yeah.
Uzodlala i5-a-side adjuster, uyabuya, mina ngizodlalisa enhlabathini.
Yeah.
Mofethu yaziwa, he won the trophies ne Super Sport. Mofethu wamakuti komdise 24 hours. Orlando Stadium Nedbank Cup. Nishanga Sundowns lapha.
Sesha 2-0.
Nisha 2-0, yeah. Wamamelu wahlala udonala 90 minutes. So like adjusted kanjalo, okay manje sengumofethu dlula ngidlala i5-a-side for Orlando Pirates. Yo nangu nito yangilanda uzongidlalisa enhlabathini.
I think wena ukuza kwakho kimi uzongitshela ukuthi asivaye mfethu, asivaye uyodlala ungazivaleli man, you can still do it, asivaye. Yeah, wena ukubelieve kimi kungale yonto leyo. I mean ngiza ngawo uwo coacher ifomo leso sikhathi uwo in charge, so if ngifuna uwe I mean ngiza lapho nami ngeconfidence ngiyazi ukuthi hayi mangifika ungayi brand ukuthi uzozihola view, you understand. So zonke lezo zinto lezo ziya contribute kuwe ukuthi udisplay kanjani, because with support there's no way ukuthi ungahluleka ukuperform.
Yeah, because of yazi yakubshaba.
Sure.
You from the PSL level. Sihlala ama tournament asenhlabathini. Sikaze sidlala enhlabathini. ne but ukuthi ngimbonise respect ngingamkhaya band show him labo umuntu uzothi yeah skipper uthi he's a big player angithi mina ngithola information ukuthi akasalifuni ibhola mina ngifuna ukumthandisa lona futhi
shut up heka
yabo so bengithusa vomkhani ngithola iplatform yokumbuza ukuthi
sure
like but bangibona ukham good leadership like ayiboni
so Khotman Vieira yazi njengoba ukhuluma ngendaba ye-agent yakho ukuthi it came to a point where uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle ubhizi umuphi imali but he's not doing anything for you. Was it the very same agent lo yakubona makazukisa ku SuperSport or it was a different person?
You know, mangizofika ku SuperSport so I played the tournament bokune legal wise but yase Orlando yama ifana namazo so bengirepresent iYMCA da so kwaba ne-agent engibonayo da but the agent leyo yangithanda I won the player of the tournament kuleyo tournament yangisigna but because maybe ngibone kasi and angina background engathi inamandla maybe wakhohlwa because I remember besinokujima eMayfair ngamajita wakhe nani but then what happened is masingiya ku SuperSport singangalo munye le contract yami naye akakapheli because lona uza neplan and ngara kuthulile understand masifika rahle ngiyambona lo muntu lona lapha but yena akangiboni uletha ama player akangiboni yena yabo so yena uthola maseba unveil ama player ukuthi lo muntu iplayer lami but into engibongayo kakhulu ukuthi wangibhelela wathi hey ngiyakubona la ngithi sengidli flops you understand sengidli flop nami ngibona opportunity ngagijima but mina ngokuthatha njengomntana sekhanye ngokukhawathi ngoba lesi sinkwa sakho ngizokuyeka ukuchubeka ngizokunikeza ama blessings into engiyibongayo ngaye because if bekazithena no leli player lami yonke into bengamosheka because I remember khona umuntu owafika na the same situation ku SuperSport mangizosigna naye zangaba samsigna naye because kwavela ama agent ay3 masokumela sign yabona so ezinye izinto ezisikhawathaya and sometimes sifuna more opportunities ifuna ituzana nami kanje uthi hey kunento so nyosigna kusasujuka tha sengiringe nobani ngivana osijuka because la ngikhona ngikho happy yabona so I think senza ama mistake afana nala based on ukuthi nisifuna opportunity
Khotman yabona into bosayiringa ngendaba ama agent on the previous episode ukuthi you feel like ama agent you are khawatha ama jita into nezibha and uyibona kanjani makachaza istory sakhe so
no ama agent I think to me an agent must protect
ama player
sharp because of agent kaMofet kusho ukuthi ngispanela yena I think ama agent ala ikas after sign on fee washeriwa uyakuyekela I remember some player afune agent yakangana team bamthothe kuMpumalanga Play Cases wafunela agent yakesiphathi kwemoto le agent yempela tendoda awubona ukuthi abantu bafuna uPelembe like ama headlines funa Pelembe was the one of his ama player understand and the agent must protect the player because of there's so more to shy flop and let's say Cherry when the flop Cherry fonela Sunday World Mofet ungishayile so agent sponsor ke ukuthi a protect Mofet angaphume ephepheni Mofet stay home kune flop onyeza ngizokubona ungaphumi mangifika lapha man kune Cherry so itushayile wathi okay sharp sekisibokolile lesimoko why bo lapha kuleyo yellow bone party Mofet beke ku yellow bone party yakasjo we understand so ama agent mele aspani we understand
ngabe ukuthi bahlanganiswa imali and that's it
so wena ungitshele ke Mofet so wena mubheka iflop ibeva because mfethu wena uphuzi asumuntu lifestyle uhamba ebusuku namaphathi wamuza ne
angisi style sami
muza
ngiyawacava bengiwa-avoid bengawafuni
discipline kabuhlungapi mo like mo-avoid
kwekasi and bekawasha ikasi and ngiyazi and naye ukuthi asicavi siyacava ukuthi sure into enzakala lapha kancane so mina bengenza sure ngisondeli
why
khane ngingena mina ey'ntweni khane ngidlala ngithola ichance ukudlala you understand ekhanda lami ukuthi I need to secure my place la because ngisayine na 1 year mangizotholakala lapha ndikhona abanye abantu odlala nabo ngekwazi ukuthi kusasa bazotshela abantu lapha so ezinye izinto uyazama by all means ukuthi azini ithing avoid as much as zikhalisa uyacava ukuthi kuba mnandi I mean la khona kuhlala kuna something enamandla but like I was like no ngizo avoid zonke lezo zinto
Ntwana phela umofeti baphila izingabula nempitches abakhuluma isilungu hlala next to me mamela ke mofeti uyangena Royal iku NFT remember uqeda ukusayina you were happy you call me into kodwa mana mozo uzothatha ama tricks what came to your house you were happy Royal now ngibona ukuthi yazi intwana mi happy lapha ku NFT kuma ku Royal
after 5 years
after 4 yabona so happy uzile kasi uyangifona kodwa manami so ngiyabona nami ngihappy ngiyambona ngiyadlala
you're proud
you're proud so ngiyidlala take us through mfethu.
Yeah, it was a tough season, especially more Kichimisi League. You wazi nje with this pressure, a training, a game, akuna game easy. But into besikhuthaza kakhulu bokuyibonus. I mean kuleyo level, I mean ibonus ikhuluma kakhulu in terms of ukuthi ubani ufuna ukwina league because wonke ama owners lapha thembisa ama player there is none but I think their team lesasikhathi it was very professional kakhulu because even the diet the way besidla ngakhona you know the way bebasiphethe ngakhona it was on another level I mean more big facility yabo you know uyabona na ukuthi azilabantu bane potential ukuthi bangapheka njengabo Barcelona bana yonke into understand everything was going so well basikhuthaza even though kune pressure what I liked about the situation is that Olid Beliza sihlale phansi athi okay manje lama game ay5 sizodlala nani what do you think let's share gents yini engasebenzeli yini esebenzelayo esikhathini esiningi maybe amanye ama owners afuna nje win but abazi ukuthi izoza kanjani so sometimes kumnandi manikwazi ukuhlala phansi and break it down ukuthi okay laba bazodlala so if we approach a game so and then it was working for us and it's just unfortunate ngoba situation the way yenzakala ngakhona at the end masokumele swini league ngiyakhumbula ngama court case asazi nokuthi yaphelela
Bankama lini bonus lapho ngaso sikhathi cash vele njengoba uhlala basibonisa yona cash
and thina from NFT vele bekuyinto enjalo yeah so beyikhuphuka nangama game amanye ama game but mase isondele ukuzophela ileague bese ikhuphuke kakhulu sijuku and ezinye izinto nawo ngeke ukholwe because
sitshele ngifuna ukukholwa ngitshele ngikholwe
because their team leyana and another thing is bestravel sonke futhi ngeke uyibone nje na ku PSL ama team awayenziwe by Nizwe Cape Town the whole squad nalo fakisa amendu lapho nalo fakisa amendu yothola ibonus so behlukana mawudlala so besikwazi ukuthola ngegame 1 boma 18 ingame 1
bonus le
NFT
Yes
I remember the Cape Town like yeah it was
nhlaba cash
so bekathi yena uyacava ukuthi isimo senjani and nathi sifuna ukushintsha impilo zamafamily wethu and ibhola ngekudlala isikhathi you know so ukukhuthaza lokho na ukwazi ukuphusha ezinye izinto zakho empilweni and it was nice because bowubona umphumela and enye into uhlala lapha yana au travel ku training au bhatali i-rent everything inyuko ithola iza kuyiphelela akunakuthi usayoreya uye training or usayogibela ufaka ama petroli or buy grocery everything everything yabo so enye into be grand because uyabona namo ubuya ku 5 years ungadlali uyakwazi ukucabanga kahle ukuthi la ngayibeka imali you understand so noma sifika ku PSL excitement ukuthi ungaphuma bengeke because sizophanda ngizofuna ukwenzani eMaritzburg I mean ngizospana and then mangiceda everything yami ngibuyele ekhaya yabo
because indawo zobumnandi ngala
bakhona le amabo Cubana but thina sibuye lokushini sibuya la ngibuye DK uyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani into esizibona la sizidlula lezi zinye indawo so uyakwazi ukubamba umoya
so ivardade ukuthi i-clubhouse eRoyal AMB sesigange nje endaweni yona because benginempintshi bedlala la while bebasababiza ngeRoyal Eagles basase FD le out time vele beyangitshela ukuthi the only time siphuma setown ileso sikhathi after
lapha uyakwazi ukufocus and you now unga-improve as a player. It's up to you yabo because hayi ukuthi bakhilo igate ukuthi ungavali khona abantu abaphuma bayenze wale uyazi ukuthi eslo abakulimiti
yabazi
but masesondelele ukwineni league sibhizi sigijimisa league bese bavala lapha bese basho ukuthi azini ngizocela for this month akusena umuntu ophumayo if nifuna umuntu ogunda so letha yonke into noma yini enishoda ngayo sizoyiletha because ba avoid sasa usijugu spanela for example i-team yama opponent ngisemall mina usijugu wami phambi kwami they can take a photo bathi hayi lo muntu lo bekahlangane nosijugu usijugu umbambiseni umkwamulo ukuthini adlisa labantu you understand so they were avoiding leyo nto le because sasa mawungavela kuleso sithombe ne team esakuthembi so abafuna uzithola kuleyo situation because I've ngengayithola call ngisase ku Polokwane City from any coach being coach abecava abantu be Free State but bangibhelela ukuthi hey ungakwazi ukudlisa i-team ngelanga lesongathi angeke yenzakale wena mawungikhulisa you were firm to me ungitshela ukuthi kumele ngenzeni ngeke ungifonele ungitshele le nto le and waxolisa naye wabona ukuthi udli flop because I feel like ngcono ngingangeni anyway than ukuthi ngingene ngencondo eSnacks yabo
wena futhi konje uthanda ukudlila yalwa
yafuna win
ulwa nama teammate
mara makhulu akunento esingambuzi yona phela lani balibeba bakhiyelele esigangeni le akhot man hakwenzeki
iplot
and mara
but more lapho awusafeel ukuthi useplotting because there's everything and makunakeke
mara ukunyoba kukho and namajita siringivar benilenzo viyasi plan
but ubuya ku 5 years kuleyo 5 years ungangitshela ukuthi awutholanga leyo chance ukuzijabulisa so I find ukuthi leyo 5 years maybe ngifahlakile or ukenzakalani yabo so mina ngingengcondo ukuthina le second chance yami uthi ngihwaye kokugcina ngibona ukuthi ngayenzani ngempilo
but emajiteni bengekho lento le ukuthi eshimfana ngathi nje kancane
uphuma like igate livuliwe you can do into oyifunayo yabona yeah so kuya ngawe ekugcineni ukuthi wena ukhethana
seniwinile league kwayenzakala lento ezenzakalayo I don't know how was the spirit emajiteni manikhuluma namajita wena kuwe so uyibona lento ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangibuyisela futhi what was on your mind amachita or team beyithini kini yabo
yeah I think so yabona ukuthi I sacrifice ya pay off manje because ukuthi basivalele lapha for leso sikhathi si focus kunama results are sharp because we're able to win lawo ma game alandelana and spirits high everyone is excited yabona nam for mina is ngibheka izinto ngokuthi ayilese i-chance yami le and khona la beseyivaliwe leyo ncwadi ngithazi na ngeke ngibuyele la so I guess uma sesilapha kwenzakala lama case sesiyajima manje and then bathi kunama playoffs sebasifuna kuma playoffs do you remember there was a game kumele sidlale and then usafika stadium and then savaya uyabona because ne olady belibusy li ringa namaloya walo ukuthi kwenzakaleni kudlala kungadlala izinto ezifana nalezo and for me I felt it was unfair especially the way everything badile ngayo ngakhona for thina ama players because yithi besidlala you know angeke usebenze kangaka and then umsebenzi wakho kube ngathi akenzakalanga for yabo so after lapho ne team sesihlala phansi ukuthi asihaye ku PSL sesigawa ama contract manje u PSL ukuthi manje sesinegotiate i PSL and then after la basika break for a week to say you know what hambane ekhaya while sisabhizi ngecase manibuya so bese sicava nabo sebasabelana singavayi singasayinanga because mawungava ungasayinanga ungathola i-team because abanye abantu bakubhekile yabo so kumele bakusecure yabo so masibuya on our way back sesizokuthi hayi seyenzakele sokubhayiwe i-Celtics and thina sendleleni sibuyela via camp i-Celtics nayo sendleleni ibuyela la sibuya sonke ngelanga eli1 afika la kugcwele wazi ke manje sokuyaqala kuyashuba because awusazi ukuthi umiva but manje sobambela lekuthini ayi mina sengicikicile nitheni yangifuna nina and bengeke nenze lento nje yabona. So hayi amabafika hey sokuthiwa okay manje azini kuzodlalwa iCeltics idlala neRally mawubheka banama player maybe kuma 85 nathi silapha sokudlala ama 11 kudlala ama 11 ay3 imanagement ihleli da nabo coach bethu nabo coach babo sokumele manje kusho ukuthi hayi because labantu bafika Tuesday sijima Wednesday first game ye league Saturday, so we had about three days to prepare for first game sidlane Swallows away. So I think nami performance yami ba impressive. And another thing is mawubheka nokuthi bengilibele ngidlala isizini yonke yabo. So after that siyasayina kuba Grain babhizi ke bakhatha abanye babayisa kuma loan nani, but leso sikhathi man as a player now sometimes awazi ukwenzakalana, especially masokunjalo labo coach bakho benispana nabo abo coach abasekho nabo manje. So kumele uyospana nabo coach beCeltics and abo coach beCeltics bane trust ne believe kubani kuma player wabo because bayawazi ngeke bathatha ichance ngathi wena uzothola ichance lapho leso sikhathi, but like angeke abathembi nabo basespanini bafuna ukusave ispan sabo, so bayenza izinto ngendlela yabo yabona. So leyo season yadlula team idlale kahle. I think enye into besinceda ngale season le ndaba yale camp because everyone bekahlala rana amajite Celtics bawada yabona. So you can imagine akusena ama distractions and sibhaya ufuna ukudlala and uyabona ukuthi manje if izinto zakhe azimanga kahle uzovaya ama player bhaya, so everyone ufocusile, everyone uyapusha, so that's why the team idlale kahle le season. And then after that season the coach left and then masokufika abo coach abasha I remember makuzoqala ipreseason bengishawa ama tonsils. I think ngahlaba ama injection ay4 lela viki because I couldn't miss training. Abo coach abasha bayafika angidlalanga enough last season and if ngizomisa ipreseason ngisejayive
so problem sure
age angikhulumeli so noma ngisepainini I have to go, I have to like I had to ukuthi ngilwe, you understand. So leso sikhathi bokunzima kakhulu because especially mongazi umeva and then soyaqala so uthola amanye ama-attitude snacks kwabanye abantu abaphezulu yabona, so yabona ukuthi hayi izinto manje hayi asagijimi kahle, but manje nami ngapproach leyo season sengicava ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi hayi into la vele ingashuba anytime. So kumele ngenze sure ukuthi mina ngitholakali esayidini elizothi kusasa lo simvayisa based on understand. Yonke into eyenzakalayo ngiyenza everything ngiyenza kahle yabona. But then after 6 months izinto seziyaqala i-team manager sengitshela ukuthi hayi indoda iyangifonela cabanga like ngikufizo room yangifonela team eluvaye asakufuna eteamini ngithi ukhuluma nami kanjalo ngithi ukhuluma nami kanjani. I mean you know
uthini
ukhuluma nami kanjani
uthi kumele
uvaye angithi angikuzwa kahle ngicela uzwakale uzongitshela akekho nalapho yabona. Ayisijime nani the next day angilande e-training phakathi kwabo bonke abantu athi hayi wena sithe ungajimi ngithi hayi contract yami ngizohlala mangilimele as long as ngifit kuzomela ngijime, you understand, because kusasa inga counter against mina leyo nto. But into ukuthi izinto ezinjalo maziqala zenzeka wazabo bani isekile yakho abobani ukhuluma nabo bani for advice. Sengibhelela abo amanye amaloya ngibhelela abo Mr Masondo Gordon Masondo angitshela into nami makusowenza so mara training yada training miluye da wanga training inkinga. So mangifika training mina no COVID vele sisi abantu asa-include kuyo yonke into enzakalayo. So shaya warm up namajita isession mayiqala thina singaphandle siyajoba yabona. Naye ngigrateful ukuthi benginomuntu ofana naye beka strong la bokumuntu ongitshela ukuthi you know what kunzima la yabona kwenzakalani, but thina sizilwele groundini abantu bethu bomthetho bazisilwela la kumele basilwele khona. But leya igcina makangitshela kanjalo uMakhoba ngimtshela ukuthi hayi mina angeke ngikhone ukuthi ngingatrain. athi ngizobiza ama-security akukhiphe erumini lakho ngithi bheka la ngizobe ngiwalindile because nami I mean ngomuntu ohloniphayo but ngifila ngathi kunama-limits khona la umuntu makadlule khona I mean nawe uzomtshela ukuthi hayi makancane yabo sengiyamtshela ngithi azini manje yenza noma yini uyabona so after lapho manje yabona izinto zami siziyaca futhi angisajimi ne-team but like at least ucoach Dance yena bekakwazi ukunginclude kwezinye izinto uyabona but I was disappointed kubo coach abafana nabo Khabo Zondo with his experience and nokuthi kudala segamini uhandlela lawo ma situation but he was just there and I felt ukuthi experience yakhe counter kuphi as a coach as a leader we timer you were the oldest ku PSL yonke as a coach leso sikhathi but like you can't handle a situation enjalo iphuma kanjani out of hand ukhona I mean une experience coach ama team engakhi and anginankinga ngokuthi maybe usangifuni but there's a certain way ukumele senze izinto ngakhona ngekungivayise ngathi ngithole gate ngimele ngithi ngifuna ispan you understand so izinto ezangihlukumeza kakhulu because I had to go to ngambe ne-counseling after that whole journey yami nalabantu laba. It was not easy. It was not easy.
So Mof ngaleso sikhathi mabakhipha uselinga how many years ku contract?
Ngiselinga another year. Angithi ngidlala season e1 kaVale ya coach kwafika lama coach amasha. So after uma 6 months sebaqala bangigurasha abafuna ukuthi ngivale. But ngisasele ngonyaka after lapho. You understand? So kuleyo 6 months I remember sathola break ngabuya ngayi onke umuntu ayekhaya for about 3 days. I think it was a FIFA week. So as sometimes ukuziphatha grand awazi ukuvulela ama channel va one of the staff members that angibhelela athazini Mof elabantu abasakufuni bokuno meeting la batshela ama security ukuthi akumelanga ungene and ngimele si report ekusasa so nami khona lapho ngivele ngihlakaniphe ngithi hayi ngiyabazi ngeke bangayenzi le nto leyo so sengenzani ngishiya yonke umthwalo wami ngivanga ngebackpack ngishiya ikara ngivana uThabo Matlaba ngithi hayi Thabo uzovana nawe sengiyacava mina kwenzakala angiphathanga boots angiphathanga necks should if belabantu bebangangixoshanga bengekho ready because ngishiye everything ngazi ukuthi abazoyenza le nto leyo
but
ngifuna ukubona and ngimele ngibe da because if angifiki izo counter against mina ngifike la mangena ngivana uThabo maybe le security usabu Thabo sangena noThabo angipressa fokol or bebangilinde ngekara yami mhlamba I don't know sangena noThabo ayimara manje ngisahlaliseka ngagrand isession ya late sifike ekseni kahle session ya late ngithazini la kumele bayenze lento le ithi ngiphume vie ngiphume mangibuya sengiyi1 isecurity selangivimba letha bathi ungangeni ngithi serious thathi ifone yami ngimrecord angitshele yonke into ukuthi bathi singakuvumela ungene umakhoba so ngithi it's fine vele into bengizele and isbelieve and something sila iphone so kuumuntu ngimele ngenzeni sengimele ngibuye kasi icabanga ukusuka la uyeMaritzburg kwazi ukuthi angeke utrain uyela nje leyo 2 minutes yokuqala you understand so I think nami ezinye izinto ngokuthi zenzeke sengihrotnyana uyakwazi ukurelaxa but because ngasikhathi ngiyanganyana bengihlanyanyana bengizovele ngale ngithi I mean ama team abhaya you understand so I feel like hayi ngispanele le team angenza izinto ezisnacks and ichance engitholile ngispanisile uyabona but then if kumele kube so akumele kube so bona sichubeka nayo kanjani uyabona
Khotman yazi speaking of njengoba mali ukukhuluma kanje ubukeka njengomuntu ukuthi istory sakho ubusazi even when it comes to ama contract and nama guests they came here telling us ukuthi indaba zama contract bezibasha because they didn't know in terms of ukuthi I as a football club mele I club ibe ne contract yayo then you must have a copy when ubo smart enough in terms of ama contract ukuthi ngiyayazi indaba yami because I also have my copy that says ngenzakala sona so
so step I think into engincede kakhulu is lento engisho ukuthi wazabo bani ezinye izinto mazenzeka at least mawazi abantu abake baba kuma situation anjalo rodala base gaming mawumfonela lo muntu uzokwazi uku-advise ngendlela esharp, ngendlela ukuthi wena mawungafuna ukuzenzela izinto so ungamosha yonke into. So i-advice yalabo bantu engincedile kakhulu because noku-approacha lawo ma-situation sengiwa-approacha sengazi ukuthi azinaye laba abana chance yabo.
So Khumbu umaqala wakho ukuphi yena? Phela uma choose number 2 uNokovic.
Ukota.
Ukokota angithi nonke sakini.
Yeah.
Unento zakhe na unento zakho. But niseseliniliwa.
Siseseliniliwa.
So did they naye bamkhiyela or
yakhe mina I think mina mabangkhiyela yena bekasa yena I don't know ukuthi I think yena bekasa sekhona maybe lapha because mina ukugcina kwami ungena da kwazi lelo langa
le record.
Yeah. And
so after lapho Khumbu that was your last time ugcina indaba ze disc.
Yeah, and then after that like I think mabazongitshela ukuthi bathi ngabskondile I didn't come to training but ibabankhiyele ke.
So inyuka yakho lena uyidlale le Mekumele show de
elele kulonyaka osele lo njengoba uthi bekunonyaka osele
enye sisalwela leyo ukuthi ngabskondile and then ngayiwina leyo case khona manje bekusaliwe indaba yama sign on fee and awulweli into ongayazi ulweli into negama lakho isayile phansi, you understand. So I feel like at times abanye abantu mabane power they think they can manipulate the situation and you can't. Either ngcono ungibiza sihlale phansi uthi azini maybe angeke ngisakhona ungaba kanjani masinga
and mawufike eKasi ngale 3 days what was on your mind?
Nokuthi ufike njani eKasi?
Okay, I think mangiqeda ukuthola call from low staff member angitshela ukuthi ikusasa wena kwenzakalani, so ngahlala phansi nemedi obviously umuntu ozokubonisa na izinto ukuthi azini iyada I know ukuthi kunzima, I know ukuthi upassionate kangakanani ukuthi disco incane kangakanani but ezinye izinto ziza kanje empilweni unfortunately. But again kumele uyeda so ngoba uyu umuntu bengikhuluma naye naleso sikhathi so mabaqala bangivalela igate sengiyambhelela ukuthi azini seyithunakele dide ngicela ungibhekele iflight ebuyayo ngayiKasi so kumele ngibuye vele from da sengithatha ini khona amajita lawe wama Uber nane siwajwayele vele amajita wethu ukuthi azini ngizoringa nomuntu so azini uzongibeka King Shaka ngile sengibuye eKasi but inhliziyo yami ibhlungu vele because I mean into encanywayo uyenze impilo yakho yonke and
waziyona
maybe angazi maybe if bebangihluphe ngisasemncane kube maybe sengijwayele angaze ngibe ne problem enjalo cabanga sebangihlupha la sengizo retire khona in my mind I had my own way ukuthi ngifuna ukuretire ngendlela so I still want to achieve this, you understand. So yonke leyo nto le iyakudemoralize and iyakuhlangahlanganisa because you're not ready ukuyeka idisc leso sikhathi but sokumele uliyeke, you understand. And I'm like yo kunzima but I'm grateful for family was there for me.
Your family?
Yeah, namanye amajita wami brotherhood bewakhona for mina because you know especially most surrounded nabantu aba grand esikhathini esibayo abazokutshela ma wrong abazokubonisa ezinye izinto kubalekile empilweni because I think leso sikhathi if bengena i-support structure grand ebengizokhawatheka kakhulu yabo bengizokhawatheka.
Usho ukuthi disk ngamanye amagama nje leslehe because njengoba usho ukuthi bebanitreata sharp bayenzani bese kuzophela nyana.
Like I think ngoba masisi ku PSL bosokunabantu abaningi like mawuvela sokunabantu nje abaningi, you understand. I feel like ezinye izinto ifana nawe umuntu when you doing well usurround abantu ababhaya. So I feel into ekhawathele yathi because na lo makhoba uzahamba ngamabonda ahamba ngamaside masasukweni FD sesongena ku seabona ukuthi ha umnyango ngathi uyavuleka sebazabamba ngamabonda manje sekathulile isipani sekafila ngathi anga overpower me, you understand. And ezinye izinto kuleyo level sesipana ngephepha uthi you can't just ungurash yabo.
So more like okay so Buyile useKasi yakhulunywa ngayo ephepheni more from nami ngifunde ephepheni ngifunde ephepheni ukuthi I called you. Mof, kwenzeke into because I know you're disciplined.
Yeah.
I remember I'll call you endoda ziyakhala tebe. Hlala sendlini. Ata ngisendlini mina la. Ngito mina ngizobamba umoya la. Like couldn't answer tebe like I will call him good. I'm sure mina ngisendlini. Ngizobamba umoya la.
Yabo ngasumuntu wama-party vele mo-fat party nani
so like udile ngayo kanjani ngiyabona unamachito nani phela iya amachito akudala ngiyabona ukuthi umfethu ngiyambona I could read a player ukuthi esathi konje uma ufuka watheka so ngiyabona ukuthi une stress uyaphuza lose weight or like I remember I called you ngathi Rosa sisodlala wathi kimi I can't play because of I still have a contract.
Nah, case.
I remember ukuthi bengifuna kumnceda ukuthi yazini ntwana mina engazivaleli azokhipha was ifomo yadlala you know it's your team but I would love to but ngisane contract in a case what I can do I can come and coach it now you remember so coach sonke so udile ngayo like kanjani
yo bokunzima ayibokunzima ngifuna ukutshela manga yeah because if we bheka kahle labantu bangihlukumeze ngisaseda noma sengivayile la you know ezinye izinto uyakwazi ukuthi chapter ya somewhere wivala uthazi
focus
phambili yami la but if kunento ehamba nawe kulandela ibhlungu because ngathi game kubo and kuwe into important I mean unencosi unefamily you know ufuna ukwenza izinto zakho nawe so ukuzithola kuleyo situation and ayikabi but akusi mistake ukuthi bazithole bala today you understand because ezinye izinto awudlali ngazo and nenye imbizi zabantu azweli phansi ngeke uhlukumeza abantu sibaningi so ngibonga abantu abafana nabo Scotch uMabhena because umuntu ongihlanganise naleyo lo yabona ukuthi uzokunceda lo muntu lona banginceda file yabona iba abantu nabe banginceda ukudila nezinto kanje yabona but that's why ngithi ifamily ebalekile because after everything usala nefamily yodwa and iba abantu abazokwazi ukuphakamisa mawufila down or kanjani and ngibonga abazali bami kakhulu nama siblings wami nemedium iba abantu bebahlala bakhona ezingisho neBH amajita bebahlala da for mina because akho easy especially mawuplanile ukuthi hayi mina ngifuna ukuretire esethen way na chance ngitholile I mean ithi ngisipane the next thing boom you akumelanga uyenze le nto lo kuba bhlungu
awufiti wavoide stoko la
awona ngisho ukuthi nakaloku ambiza mina le media iphi lo bengingayazi yasekasi
uyayicaba indaba uTshatsharara ayengeke ngikutshele
so good man
uTshatsharara ngeke ngikutshele sizokubiza maybe ngelinye ilanga
futhi unjani
uTshatsharara
zokuyiza lapha kwakhe
okay
so good man njengoba sekuqala bathola iFIFA ban ngendaba ka uNukovic were you part of the squad bosasi squad binsala ama players
ngoba indaba kaNukovic wazi silwa ngesikhathi siwa but mina yami ingakafiki la uNukovic akhona because I think uNukovic beyangahafwanga yena beyangakahafu into ezinjalo so mina at least bengisahafu even though bengkurashwa you understand so yena leso sikhathi eyakhe besiyigijima so maqala kufika amabheni nami sengikuphi sengilwa nami ngaphandle so angazi ukuthi eyakhe yagcina iphelela kuphi and kwenzakalani ngayo yabo
because I wanted to know also ukuthi where was the sponsorship semasipala because remember gokwaba nendaba ukuthi iRoyal Eagles Royal Miami to say ithole isponsor 23 million from the municipality then jiki akusan ngenzakala
I think mina izinto eziningi maziqala zenzakala nami bengibhekane nezami lapho because nami ngilwezami ubani ulwezakhe neteam ibhekane nani yabo so okuningi uqala ukenzeka la izinto zami nami seziqala ziba wonke sokuqala sokuphuma indaba yokuthi sokune sponsor singaka zonke lezo zinto yabo
Godman
so the case is still on
yeah
still on
yeah
okay so what what is your take ngale case eyenzakala manje
eyabo into engayisho ukuthi indawo nendawo inomthetho wayo. I mean nala nje sinesipana kanje kunendlela kunezinto kumele nizilandele kunezinto ukuthi mawungazilandeli kuzomela usuke la. So I feel like mase ku professional level kunendlela okwenza izinto, and if ungeke uzenze ngendlela zizo catch up nawe. Akusiphuthi ukuthi bazithola abayi, you understand? Because I mean I remember when I stopped going to the stadium, even though I was not playing, bengiya nyo support amajita ngena jive until uledi lang thola ngplomena majita la grunta majita la ngangrunti. And then I ngabona ukuthi manje sho ukuthi vele kuyaliwa.
Who's majita?
Bengiplomena uPotsane no Mashiyane.
Okay.
Aba sonke so support the team, you understand? But waringa nabo mina ngangiringisi fokol. And then ngiyabona ukuthi azin kahle la nami man angisancingi fokol. Angeke kungisebenzele ngafokol, you understand? So nami ngiba like manje angisasihluphi. So masiqala zithi ama game weekend bayenzani angisayi sengibuye kasi sengibuyele kasi angisafuni nento engihlanganisana lapha sengiphusha lento yami ukuthi angithili ziphele kahle yabo.
Yazi Khotman lam Khotman Sizwe mangizwa istory saka Vieira sibhlungu because nanomacala from SuperSport angokhuphuka udibana nama challenges uzithola sekadlala ama 5-a-side inhliziyo yakhe yakhuleka uba happy uyatravela everything like yenzaka ngendlela sharp, you understand? Probably maybe financially it wasn't that good compared to maybe 11v11, but ngapha inhliziyo iphephile, then niyambiza futhi 11v11 uyabona ukuthi okay nayi opportunity athi ngiplan manje ukuthi ngizoretire kanjani still futhi ubuyela kulobhlungu lebebhola. So ngiyabonga ukuthi hayi indaba eKhotman ibhlungu kakhulu. I don't know what to take makula kule ndawo.
No, mina what I can tell you ukuthi lento go through yona ifana nempilo mpinjami. Everybody abantu mosa nemali bazokutreata ngazathi uyabona khumbuka la bazokuthana khona as much as usho nje injali life iza ngingama engela bhayi uyabona ukuthi the way we play ubadlalela wenzani molethe imali lapha yakukwele mina uyina nenzana mpo kunathatha nangena na ku PSL, but once babona sekunoba nama changes obvious kuba nabantu ababhaya ba influencer. I think maybe mina lapha yakuReal AM into esale yakhawata kukhumbu because you're a very good player, you discipline uphethe yonke mfethu ama ibody ye defender engayinida height uyajumpa inyawo uyalifaka ngiyakucava mina nginamaka sizo. So into maybe I think mina beyiflop kube ne influence la kuReal. Don't you think bona bomakhubo lapho if makhubo
lo ngingasho ukuthi kuthunywa yena
ngoba influence
yena like uthunyiwe kuda ubona khona ukuthi wena Mofet ukuthi ifana neleve noma bathi la uthi lehlala isendlini ayiphuzi le Khotman yenzani thu le Khotman le isihlushelwa image le Khotman idiscipline. So kumba I know uyachima, I know is une leadership noma if nakuReal embonga si captain I know ukuthi unalanto ngimcoachile. I remember sidlala the tournament yokugcina before uya le kuReal e50 si winner sithi sidlala nabo Buhlongwane laba yakhumbula
abo Popeye
besha squad nje sephezulu
abo Kiba labo abo Stellenbosch team yabo be strong
that final form and then it's talk by 1-1. So
extra time
bathi ngithi mina bathi ma penalty England it I coach I'm a penalty so bashaya extra time
aseni extra time
so kune ikwadi da so mina ngithathe i-captain ngithi imagine ngizobatshela kanjani then wangiphusha ukhumbu wathi wamba wayi-addressa lapha uthi sibathatha nge-extra time and you know what sawina ngokhumbu he scored a free kick, we won the tournament.
So wena khumbu uyawuzwa mfethu into khala ngayo, but nowadays abo players union ngithole siza amajita edisk uyacava players union awukaze wazama nje kuya dawo
bake I think sisaba ne problem ngama first sign-on fee abanye bebangawathuli or something like that. So yes, the union yadila ne-situation, but then I was not part of the group being a problem.
Okay.
So mangizobuza abanye they were not happy ngade way i-union iba supporting ngakhona
Yeah, yeah.
So nami I lost trust lapho ukuthi I can't trust these people, especially kule simo sami. Ngifila ngathi sinzima naso sizofuna ngibe strong eside lami ngiphathe team strong ukuthi silwe le ndaba le, you understand? Because another thing is angithi union vele siyayihafa sonke amajita every month, clip sonke each and everyone. So now they promised us like course ukuthi hi after football Tina will cover you mawufuna ukushaya i-course ethize. So they didn't do that because mina ngi-experience sami after yonke lento le sengifuna ukushani i-coaching course.
Sure.
Mase ngifona sengithola ituri manje, you understand? So zonke lezo zinto zingenze nje ngivele ngithi mina ngigrand, maybe abanye ba-happy ba-benefitile from that, but for mina.
So ngitshele Mpijama yini obusy ngayo no like ukudistressa lento lena meantime indaba ecourt isahamba usafuna ukudlala ibhola usadlala idisco usane hope sokuthi ungangena so ngaki manje
Ngizobamba 40 this year.
40 so usanayo wena le okay sharp sengiyabona okay ejivayile sharp yini obusy ngayo no what is it that you want to do?
Ngishaye i-D license last year.
Okay.
So angakatholi opportunity but uyacava nito ngine-passion ngedisc and I've worked namajita, I've worked nga-coacha abanye. Even last year i-Pirates yaska i-chance saspananyana nepelepele ne-DDC team yabo ama-session yana mbalwa. So ngisaphusha loko but angakatholi ispan but I'm busy with indaba zokucoacha nani and yeah.
So yini advice ongayigaya intwana ibhekelele i-trap and pass khona manje eyuzwa istory sakho ukuthi to be a strong athlete, to be like ukufocus you still focus bekumuhle kanjani ngathi una 22 fit saba nokusho ukuthi ngidlula nga7 years azi fit hey ngiyasaba nokusho
ngewe
kugemila yini like to be on your toes like i-advice ongayigaya intwana?
I think asiphume emakhaya afanayo and the experience yakho nala ukhulele khona mele guide to la uyakhona. So as much as noma sewufikile izinto zigijima ungathi mawubona uSjuka lande M4 na uyilande because ubona uSjuka. I think kubalekile ukuthi umuntu nomuntu agijima race yakhe because asifani. Mawubheka nami race yami the way ihambe ngakhona ayifani yabanye. So I had to do things ngendlela mina ezobenefita mina. I think ku-important nokuthi nje amajita ahlale ane-discipline and avoid la kunezinto eziphaya. And I'm glad now so retire kuleyo.
Yeah, I think
izintwana eziphaya yabo.
Ngisekho kulezo zinto.
Ngibonga nalokho ukuthi at least now today uyaguide yabona. So I think kubalekile ukuthi wonke umuntu arun i-race yakhe yabo. So and I'm grateful nabantu engingahlangana nabo empilweni yami nabo coach abangayile chance yabona namajita ngisupportile abonito bebayikhona la ejenini yami yabo. So I think it was not easy but ekugcineni uyazi wena ufunani and yini uyibeka kuqala and then everything will follow. I think ukuzidedicate nje spanning sakho uziphushele ezinye izinto zizosinakile.
Hayi njaya hayi asibonge bafethu ngizwile ke mamelani umunye nomunye mela gijima irace yakhe because uyasho ukhumba athi asibuye emakhaya yafanayo ongathi mawubona umuntu athenga i-M4 na ufuna ukubuy i-M4 okwamanje bafethu ayivala le episode ka Khumbu sithi thank impilo thank imali uvalo dolo lempilo ulolo asibonge. Okay, take us back. Okay, sharp awufika ku Chiefs khotsagalang wafika uthola bomang since ba udutse officing at Pirates the whole day.
Oh, Canada naturally it was a from the packing you see going to the changing room to meet the guys you see on the TVs. Nalibotha Moki, Kaizer Chiefs, nalibotha Rick Spence, and I was Karango bese. Na was Piwe at Free State I was Chiefs. So there was a lot
and not also competed in Tof.
And Tofo left after man. It was Kaizer Chiefs, it was Seschoua, it was David Khatebe,
okay.
It was Rosin Kilambe. Then when Seschoua arrived, and that's where they chased David Khatebe, Kilambe, yes.
So it took you for how long about signing?
Hey, My story in fact, when I was there first week training with them, what's ever go cast is I let choose one and no signing. I wanted that pressure. So sign so it's in this assessment. But in that first week, Papik wanted me to sign immediately.
Good.
So man stop, but no wait, there's a new coach that is coming. So we don't know Retlau Rat or never Rat.